Today I will show you how this electronic speed relay works. In this generator circuit you can normally find this type of speed relay. You can see on screen, this is the speed relay. For feeding this speed relay, 24 DC source is required, and I will show you the proximity based sensor, speed pickup sensor. This is the proximity based pickup sensor. You can see on screen the dirt formed on the head of the pickup sensor. You have to do regular cleaning, otherwise it will not give signal to the speed relay. Now you can see the block diagram of the speed relay, electronic speed relay. The input is received from the proximity based speed pickup that is fitted on the flywheel assembly of the prime mover. Normally it can be an oscillator based pickup that generates a pulsating output due to the rotation of a toothed flywheel, or a pickup coil that generating a pulsating output when an embedded magnet rotates on the flywheel. Pickups are normally installed on the stationary part with a gap of about 1 to 2 mm. The output of the speed pickup are fed to a frequency to voltage converter, you can see, whose output is then fed simultaneously to three comparators 1, 2, 3. The reference inputs to the three comparators are fed through individual potentiometers. You can see on screen, this is for low speed preset, normal speed and over speed. The reference inputs to the three comparators are fed through individual potentiometers, which are set for low, normal and over speed detection. The output pulses of each comparator are therefore an algebraic sum of the set value of voltage and the dynamic value that is received from the pickup coil. The output is then amplified and fed to the base of the transistor, this one, which in turn energizes a relay. For example, in case of the prime mover overspeeding, the overspeed relay comparator's output will be amplified to energize the overspeed relay. Each speed setting activates another chain of actions. If the low speed relay energizes while starting, it will trigger a start failure alarm. The normal speed relay will activate a timer, then after a preset time, will introduce the low lubricating oil pressure and high cooling water temperature protection circuit. And finally, the overspeed relay will trip the prime mover when the speed reaches its about 115% of the normal speed. Thank you.